What nobody ever told you about exercise. Hi everybody, it's Shirley here giving you the best of holistic lifestyle habits. Let's dive in because exercise is too often only associated with weight loss. There's a real fixation on that. Okay? A lot of people just exercise in order to lose weight, but there's a whole lot of other benefits that you can gain by exercising and getting regular movement. So let's dive into that because your body systems, there's so many systems can benefit from all types of movement. Like exercise improves your immune system. You can do stretching and all kinds of machines and weights. Exercise boosts your mitochondria, and those are the powerhouse of your cells that give you energy. Let's keep those guys happy. Like I keep showing you in the video here, stretching is allowed and considered an exercise. It balances your blood sugar and improves your circulation and lymph flow. Something that we all need every moment. You know, after you take a nice walk, you feel good because things are moving in your body. It's great. Exercise balances your adrenal glands and your thyroid and your sex hormones. I'm not even listing all of the things. There's so much. It's great for brain health, and you hear me talk about brain health all the time on this channel. So please watch that. Here's some more stretching, some assisted range of motion, and exercise optimizes your gut microbiome, which speaks directly to your brain up and back. Here's some machines to use, bikes and cross trainers and different things, whatever you like. So I ask, are you getting any exercise? I mean, you can do it sometimes with a friend like that. People are enjoying stretching. Because movement is life, and without it, people can, age harshly. If you want to stay in good health for the rest of your life, then some type of exercise and movement is mandatory. Because with exercise, it comes flexibility, strength, and confidence in your body. Don't have to be as good as that lady, but still, be sure to move in some way regularly. Go for 30 minutes of exercise a day. Okay? And it's important to schedule this in your exercise time and prioritize it. You can go for 10-minute increments. That's totally fine. Hi, everybody. Are you looking for some more inspiration? Because I'd like to get you on the path of living the ageless wellness lifestyle method with me, your coach. Yep. Together, I'll get you set up with some actionable steps that let you feel some progress and a quality of life sets in. So I do offer personalized health coaching programs online and in person. Those are single sessions, or it's much better to do a package of sessions because we can make more progress for what, your aim and your goal is. Here's my contact details, shirleymeerson.com/contact. And please support my work also on Patreon. I'd love for you to be a patron, and it's like having your own wellness channel. It's really great information. After all, the preservation of health is easier than the cure of disease. Isn't that the truth? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so and hit that bell so you know when I post new videos, generally on the weekend. I'd love a like and a comment. Let's get this algorithm moving properly. And I say thank you for watching. And I would love for you to simplify your life for less stress and more life. And I send my wellness wishes always to all of you. Take good care.